Hey friends, in this video we'll look at the best camera drones in 2021. I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more, and I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for an entry-level option or the finest thing available, this list may have the product for you. I've included links to all of the products mentioned in this video in the description, so you can check them out. Want to find out which one of these will be the best bang for your buck? Make sure to stick all the way through so you don't miss anything. Without further ado, here are our recommendations for the best camera drones on the market right now. The outstanding Air 2s combines the best features of our previous favorite DJI drones, the Mavic Air 2 and Mavic 2 Pro. You get the former's compact, folding design as well as the latter's 20MP 1-inch sensor. The combination is brilliant, making the Air 2s our top pick for both hobbyists and professionals looking for a small drone that they can take anywhere. While the Mavic Air 2 is still a good choice for those on a tighter budget, the Air 2s offers some useful advantages over its predecessor. The ability to shoot 5.4K video at 30 FPS gives you more creative freedom and supports a useful digital zoom option. With the ability to shoot 1080p at 120 FPS and some impressive high ISO performance, you have a superb all-around flying machine that soars above its mid-range competitors. There's no denying that the DJI Air 2s outperforms the older Mavic 2 Pro in many ways, particularly portability. And there are now rumors that the Mavic 2 Pro will be discontinued soon. However, there is one reason why you should consider it over its newer cousin: it's the adjustable aperture. The inclusion of this feature in the Mavic 2 Pro is a boon for those who like to manually control their exposure, as it eliminates the need for neutral density filters. Instead, you can simply change the f-stop in mid-flight. Otherwise, the Mavic 2 Pro is a joy to fly and provides image quality comparable to the Air 2s thanks to its 20MP 1-inch sensor. With RAW support, you can rely on it to deliver pro-level images in addition to its impressive 4K 30p video. The Air 2s now offers better value in a smaller package, but if you really need that adjustable aperture, which allows you to switch between f2.8 and f11, it may still be the better choice. One of the few complaints about the DJI Mavic Mini was that it couldn't shoot 4K video. This excellent successor corrects that, while also providing us with a few extra treats. The Mini 2 retains its ultra-compact design, making it the joint smallest drone in DJI's lineup, but it now includes a new controller that increases range and provides a more polished flying experience. It, like the Mavic Mini, comes with a plethora of beginner-friendly quickshot modes that allow the drone to perform pre-programmed moves. However, the Mini 2 provides more for professional photographers thanks to the addition of RAW photo shooting, and 4K video means a higher bit rate of 100 Mbps. Sure, the Mini 2 isn't a huge improvement over the Mavic Mini, but it's unquestionably the best compact drone you can buy. The DJI Mavic 2 Zoom is nearly identical to the Mavic 2 Pro, with the exception of one critical difference: the camera system. While both drones are incredibly portable, with the same lightweight foldable design and a variety of high-spec features, the Zoom pairs a smaller 12MP sensor with an optical zoom lens with a range of 24 to 48 mm. That means you can get close-up shots of subjects like people while staying within the safe and legal 50 meters distance. The image quality isn't quite as good as the Mavic 2 Pro due to the smaller sensor, and the f2.8 aperture is fixed, but photos and videos are still more than adequate for professional use. The real benefit is the zoom lens, which opens up a world of creative shooting possibilities. The range is good, the distortion is low, and the control is simple to use with the companion app. You also get all of the intelligent flight modes you'd expect from a DJI drone, such as active track and hyperlapse, as well as a decent 30-minute flight time. If you want a zoom drone, this is the one for you. The DJI Mini 2 has since replaced it, but this ultra-compact drone will continue to be available, which is great news for anyone looking for a slightly more affordable palm-sized drone with impressive video quality. The Mavic Mini lacks RAW photo capture, OcuSync 2.0 connectivity, and some new motors when compared to its newer sibling, but it is otherwise very competitive and still outperforms any other drone in its weight category. It's a shame that there's no active track object tracking or follow me function, as there is on the Mini 2, but if you're just starting out in aerial photography or videography, the Mavic Mini is an excellent choice. We'll also keep an eye on its price to see if it drops further into super bargain territory. That's the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed my content. See you guys in the next video.